Yeah, but she has never been anywhere around Ukraine.
She even doesn't want to go to ride the fire.
What about the locals? Where can you find them?
So outside.
Yeah, of course,
Kind of
because
in
it's
the
a desert.
But then there are cities where locals live, but they're not so touristic attractive.
Last night I was like watching some movies about deserts, and then it came out to China being a very big desert before, but then they are making everything green. They are just soil. They are planting soil into the mount.
But there is desert in one of the provinces, more closer to Inner Mongolia, and Inner Mongolia has the desert. China, Chinese nature is really diverse.
Yes. Here they can actually do everything.
Yeah, so that's why they don't need to go anywhere.
Yes.
They have the seaside, they have the desert, they have mountains.
And if they don't have something, they would make it up. Right? It's not really that hard for them to make these things.
Even they don't have enough people, they can make it.
That's a scary thought.
It's scary.
It's like in Delhi, we were in the park once.
I wanna hear, but I don't know how to come here. Please say
What is that?
location now for me. In my
some
phone.
reservoir for the water.
Ah, like a dam, right?
Dam? Or how do you call it? Dam?
Yeah, dam or water dam.
Our Chinese country, Dampa.
DAM?
Say dam, but Ukrainian.
Oh, really?
The same. Some names unbelievable are the same as yours.
Yes. These are like, it's a really, really big blueberry farm.
Yes.
But it's real blueberries.
It's real blueberries, but then they also use chemicals to grow all
You need
these.
to wash them, don't eat from the bush. Like at home, we can eat from the bush. Oh my god. You see, they bring kids to pick it up.
People parking here.
These are like, it's a really, really big blueberry farm.
But it's real blueberries.
It's real blueberries, but then they also use chemicals to grow all these.
To wash them, don't eat from the bush. Like at home, we can eat from the bush. Oh my god. You see, they bring kids to pick it up.
See people parking here.
What? Thank you. Where'd you get this? You have this in your car?
100块钱3斤的，甜的。
Just order for you.
Скажи, що ми просто зайдемо на 5 минут.
Oh, he said we have activity 100 yuan. It's 3G. It's very sweet. 我等一下。
Why is it so hard?
My mom.
How did you find out? Like what? The video that you sent me last
They're all
night.
the agent that we paid. Take a picture.
Yes, take a picture.
Wow, the pictures are beautiful. It's so.
So, I don't know, like because of the net, it's like really nice. Don't eat.
They're cat.
How tasty is that?
It's very tasty. Sweet.
Huh?
I like it.
You like it? That's so nice.
And I think it's very healthy.
It is?
Yeah.
You're gonna make a blueberry jam.
I think if they cold, much tastier than
Trying the blueberries? Oh! Yeah. It's the blueberry farm.
是奥利的哈啊，100块钱3斤。
可以拍照吗？
可以的。
谢谢你。
没事没事。
cultivate
Yes,
blueberries.
this is a blueberry factory. So natural, right?
Now they feel like they feel when they take pictures.
What?
You know, it's uncomfortable when people take pictures.
I was like, oh, these foreigners again.
Let's take a picture together. Ivan, come here.
Okay. Really? Like when you weigh it, it's like a kilo?
A kilo, a bit more.
I don't know. I could not even.
Okay, I wouldn't pay 100.
Kitty.
Where? I
Where?
want that. I want to get. 这是喵喵，可以看一下吗？
Meow.
这是什么？
What did you say, meow?
Oh, what's my?
The dog is also very.
Oh, they're so cruel. Why to put this pod box over there? In this
They're trying to take out the kitten inside the box.
yeah, she doesn't know how to take it. You, but I think they're wild.
You want to buy it? How much?
No, no buy. I want to look. But they.